Here we see NetSuite dashboard for a sales manager role. And what we're going to talk about today is some of the flexibility within the system. So opening up a customer record, we're going to see all the pre-configured fields and everything that we're capturing on that customer record that comes out of the box with Suite Success, right? So all our communication, all our sales data, marketing data, financial information, our customer 360, all that out of the box reporting and fields that we can set value for on that customer record. But if I want to add a custom field to this record, it's going to be really easy to do if I have something unique with my business that calls for it. I can add a field directly from the, once I hit edit, if I have the appropriate permissions. And let's add a field for self pickup. If we want, there's not an out of the box field for that. So maybe we want to offer that option to some of our customers. And so we need to classify those customers on the customer record so we can know who to expect to come and pick up their orders. Here's the different options we have for that custom field. This would, be probably Boolean or yes, no. We can capture, self pickup just with a checkbox. And then I want to display this on our customer record on that main tab. I could, put it on other entity records if I wanted to as well simultaneously. But we'll just go ahead and save that, apply it to forms. And now when I come back to my customer record, if I refresh this, I'm going to see that field's been added. So right down here, I now have this self pickup checkbox, and that's going to be on all my customer records, so I can check it if I want to, and we can run save searches against it as well. Pick it up in our save searches and analytics, and so we can use the exception-based criteria to return a list of all the customers that may be self pickup. I could also add another field for preferred pickup day. If there's a day that they're going to come and pick up every week, then we may want to capture that. And here we'll use a different type of custom field. I'm actually going to use a list record, and we're going to have to create our own list of values that can be selected on that preferred pickup day on that customer record. So we could do Monday. We'll just do Tuesday and then Wednesday. Those will be our three options for self pickup. We save this. Now we have that custom list with those values that can be selected. And again, we're going to apply this on that customer record. We'll go ahead and display this main subtab, and then we'll save and apply to forms. And again, just like with that checkbox for self pickup, we've now added a custom field to that customer record. So they can not only select whether it is self pickup, but also whether which of those days the customer is going to elect to come pick up. We'll do self pickup and their preferred pickup day. Come in and select Monday. Save that. And again, now we've adjusted the customer record beyond the pre-configured fields to account for a process that's specific to our business. No coding required, just point and click. I can go in and do that if I have the permissions. And then we can also incorporate that into our save searches. So really flexible system, again, allowing you to extend the out-of-the-box Suite Success functionality where needed.